Hello, all of you wonderful students. Okay, this is our last math lesson for Unit 3. Tomorrow you will have a review day, and then on Wednesday we'll be taking our Unit 3 test. Okay, today's math message says, what is the same about all of these problems? We have 2 plus 12, 7 times 2, 15 take away 1, 24 take away 10, 1 dozen, and 2 more. Remember, and. What do we do when we say and? And then it says, write another problem that belongs with these. I want you to go ahead and try to solve these. Put me on pause while you have time to think. Come back when you have an answer or if you need some help. All right, if you're back, you should have seen what was the same about all these problems, and then you should have wrote another problem. If not, I should still be on pause, and you should be working through these on a separate sheet of paper. Here's my hint to you. 2 plus 12, what does that equal? 7 times 2, or 7 doubled. 7 plus 7, 7 doubled, equals what? 15, take away just one more, equals what? 24, take away 10, take 1 away from that tens position, and then 1 dozen and 2 more. We know and means to add, so 1 dozen and 2 more. Think of a dozen eggs, right? It even says we're measuring in eggs. How much is a dozen? Well, 1 dozen, a carton of eggs, is 12. So 12 and 2 more would be what? 12, 13, 14. 7 times 2, 7 doubled, or 7 plus 7 is 14. 15, 14 is 1 less. 24, take away 10. Well, that means I have to take 1 away from the tens position, and then my 1 stays the same. 1 less than 2 is 1, and then my 4 stays the same. Oh, look at that, another 14. And then a dozen, 12 plus 2 more is 12, 13, 14. Ding, 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 ding. What is the same about all these problems? Their answers equal 14. Awesome. So write another problem that belongs with these. So you write your own, create your own number model of anything so that our answer or our product or whatever our answer is 14. Awesome job. We'll be looking for that extra problem. Maybe you even decided to go above and beyond and write more that equal 14. That would be awesome. Send it to your teacher and we're going to love to look at that. Head on over to the next video.